Someone's promised you something but not yet delivered. Let's see if it's going to actually come to fruition. Okay, this person's promised you a commitment, okay, and they've not followed through on that yet. So it's starting to feel like, is it real? Is it an illusion? Will this ever come to be? It does just show that right now you're not really showing what direction to go. Okay, you don't know whether to stick around and wait for this person, give them the time, or whether to move forward and cut ties with this person. I do feel like this person wants to express how special they are to you, so the feelings are there, they're real, they're not fake. However, there are things going on here that have delayed the promise in coming together. So let's just have a look. I mean, it does show twin flames here showing, so that could also be why it's been so difficult. Sometimes we have karmic lessons to live out during a twin flame connection, and that could be what you're experiencing with this person. They're saying look for some signs here to show you that this person is your person. Sometimes you're mirroring energies that you're going through as well. So if you're feeling a bit down about this and fed up and exhausted, they may also be feeling the same. Either way, it can't be denied what this connection is. As you're going along and through this, you're learning. So you might have to learn to be patient during this connection as it's kind of played out. It does show here this person's growing a lot. They want to be with you. So everything that they've told you is real, and they are making the changes in the background in order to come forward and give you that commitment. So I can see that it's worth waiting for. It does show here there's a lot of healing that's come with this connection. So you may feel as though this person heals your past wounds, or it might be vice versa. And so as you're kind of coming together and falling in love, and you're talking about the future, it's also making you both reflect on the past and what you've had in the past, and also maybe you don't want that again moving forward. This person is definitely feeling like this is new to them, never experienced this, not really sure how it's supposed to feel, what their role is. All they know is they want to be with you and they want to commit to you. So when we ask for a time frame, they're showing here soon. So it does just show we will be together in the near future. The reunion is imminent, and they're doing everything they can to kind of come to you. They're working hard. But yeah, they're not going anywhere. They are coming to be with you. You are supposed to be a part of their life. The love is real. This time apart that you're experiencing now, or if not necessarily apart, but kind of a time where you're not getting the progress that you want. It's giving you both the opportunity to kind of work on yourselves individually. And I know you may not want that. I know you may be desperate to be around them and to be in love, but it's just showing that this time will prove necessary further down the line when you take a look back. It's a very intense bond with this person, okay? The connection is that intense sometimes that it scares this person. It might even scare you because you may feel a bit out of control. But know that you are this person's world, and even though not all of this may have been said, it is definitely being felt. Okay, I'm just going to check with the tarot now and see what else we can see. Water signs showing there. Okay, so this could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. It does just show this person is getting organised, getting everything in place, whether that be financially, home life, whatever it is they're sorting out in order to come and be with you and have a full commitment with you. It is happening in the background. They have chosen you, and you will not be single or separated or in this independent position for much longer, because you will be in a connection and in a union and a team together. You'll be settling down. It just shows here, be open, come in logically, not emotionally, and just give this person the time that they need, because I can assure you they're coming for you.